Namaste everyone, I welcome you all. The concept of aesthetics is a judgment about beauty and sublime. Among aberrations in smile aesthetics is presence of diastemas, that is gap between teeth occasioned by differences in tooth size. Midline diastema or gap between upper front teeth is one of the most common problem in smile aesthetics, where the gap between upper front teeth is more than 0.5 mm. Well, midline diastema or gap between upper front teeth has multifactorial etiology, that is, many factors, many reasons are responsible for gap between upper front teeth. Some of the common causes are difference between tooth size, if there is a small peg-shaped tooth present between upper front teeth, some of the habits like finger sucking, tongue thrusting, lip sucking, genetics, proclined teeth, that is when upper front teeth are more forwardly placed, dental skeletal discrepancy is also responsible for it. If thickness of frenum is different, that may also cause midline diastema or gap between upper front teeth. Now, aesthetic outcome of diastema treatment requires correct diagnosis, right technique and appropriate material, but again effective treatments are based on time, physical, psychological and financial limitations. So friends, let's begin with our today's video and know some of the best advanced common treatment options available to treat midline diastema. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Keep watching. One of the most commonly recommended dental treatment for midline diastema or gap between upper front teeth is orthodontic braces. These braces put pressure on your teeth and closing gaps over time. You may have to wear full set of braces even if there is just one gap, because moving any teeth affects your entire mouth. The other advanced option here is clear aligners, which is another type of orthodontic treatment which corrects midline diastemas in children, teens and adults. These aligners are virtually invisible alternative to braces which cost about the same. To treat small gap between the teeth, an alternative treatment available is removable dental retainers. Depending on the fact that how severe is your diastema and how it has formed, you may benefit from a removable retainer. So before you get treatment done, always speak with your orthodontist about all these three alternatives to determine the best option for you. In today's time, improved materials and advanced techniques are available to treat midline diastema using dental restorative materials. These restorative materials have both aesthetic and mechanical properties just like your natural teeth. These direct resin restorations can be done in single visit. It does not involve laboratory fees that escalates the cost. The direct resin restorations are kinder to opposing dentition compared to orthodontic veneer or porcelain treatment. Also, in the event of unforeseen fracture, they can be repaired easily compared to costly, time-consuming remake or repair of veneers or porcelain alternatives. This direct resin bonding treatment requires a special adhesive, high-intensity light curing and resin material matching to the tooth shade. The layers of resin cements are placed over the tooth with the help of special adhesive and then light cured and polished to attain the desired results. The direct resin bonding treatment has some limitations and disadvantages, like this treatment is not suitable for the patient with class 3 bite, also who has bruxism or teeth clenching habits. Talking of color stability and strength, it is less than porcelain or veneer alternatives. Regardless of the fact that resin restorations has some disadvantages, developing adhesive techniques and better quality materials are giving dentists opportunity for excellent aesthetic outcome in a very short chair time. Common advanced treatment option available to fill the gap between upper front teeth is dental veneers. These dental veneers are thin customized shell of tooth colored materials. These dental veneers fit over teeth and enhance patient's appearance by changing the color and shape of teeth. This dental veneer treatment generally requires 2 dental visits, wherein the first visit tooth shade and shape is decided and also mild preparation is done over your teeth, and in the second visit these veneers are placed over your teeth. Although dental veneers is an expensive and high maintenance treatment, but undoubtedly it has an excellent aesthetic outcome. Last treatment option which I will discuss here is dental crowns or porcelain crowns, where the dental veneers covers only the front tooth surface. These dental cap or crown covers all the teeth surfaces. These dental porcelain crowns definitely give an aesthetic outcome, but drawback here is it requires an aggressive tooth cutting compared to dental veneer treatment. If your teeth are damaged and not suitable for dental bonding or dental veneers, your dentist may suggest this treatment option. The dental crown treatment requires 2 to 3 visits, wherein first visit tooth preparation is done, tooth color and shape is decided, and in the final visit the permanent cap or crown, porcelain crown, is placed over your teeth. So friends, these are some of the best treatment options available to treat gap between the teeth. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay fit.